All right, so continuing on today with our pizza place project, we are doing task 9, pizzas on a number line. So again, reviewing fractions on a number line. So the Smith family ordered 2 pizzas. They ate 3/6 of one pizza and 1/6 of the second one. How much pizza did they eat in all? Use a number line to show your work. So first they ate 3/6 of one pizza. So let's make sure that we have this number line divided in 6. So you start at your 0 and you jump 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is divided into 6. So they ate 3/6 of one pizza. So here we're going 1, 2, 3. We're going to take our little dot and move it there. So 1, 2, 3. So here they ate 3/6 of this pizza. It says, and then they ate 1/6 of the second one. So knowing that each interval is 1/6, we need to do this one more time. So here was 3/6, we're adding one more, 1/6, because they ate the second one. So we have 3/6 plus 1/6 is actually 4/6. Remember, you add the numerator, so 1, 2, 3, 4. And it says, how much pizza did they eat in all? So here you can see we started from 0, we did 3/6, we added one more 1/6. So in all, they ate 4/6 of the pizza. I need my text box, put it right here. They ate 4/6 of the pizzas because there's more than one pizza. Okay. Okay. Number 2, a medium pizza has 10 pieces. 1/2 of the pizza is ham and pineapple. How many pieces are not ham and pineapple? Show your work. So medium pizza has 10 pieces and 1/2 of the pizza is ham and pineapple. How many pieces are not ham and pineapple? So we're looking for how many are not ham and pineapple. Again, let's look at our number line, see if it is divided into 10. So we start at 0 and we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and it is. And now we have to figure out half of this number line. Well, when we have talked about halves in school, half of something, you divide it by 2. So over here, we can say 10 divided by 2 is some number. So we can always switch that around. So 2 times what number is equal to 10? And I hope you're screaming 5 because you are correct. So 2 times 5 is 10. So half of 5 is 10. That means 5 plus 5 is 10. So we're going to start at 0 and we're going to jump 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we can copy this dot from above and bring it down here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whoops. Here. Yeah, okay. So from here to here, that whole end is ham and pineapple. Ham and pineapple. But we need to figure out what is not ham and pineapple. So we have to see this and what's left. Well, we can start here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, if half of 5 is 10, that means the other half is not ham and pineapple. So we figured out that 5 of those pieces are not ham and pineapple. I'm going to bring this, my text box down here, delete that, and so there are 5 pieces that are not ham and pineapple. Because we saw that there are 5 that are ham and pineapple, and then there are 5 that are not, because half this way, half that way. All right, and this one, Maria eats 1/4 of a small pizza and Marshall eats 1/6 of a small pizza. Who ate more pizza? So going back to comparing those fractions, so we have 1/4 and 1/6, so 1/4, 1/6. Before we even look at the number line, think about, we have the same numerators, and so think about your denominators. Which one is bigger, the bigger number or the smaller number? Let you think about that for a second. I'm gonna go get this dot again. All right, so on this one, it says that Maria ate 1/4. So I'm putting it here on the 1 mark because 1, 2, 3, 4, and then this is the first tick mark. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we're gonna put it on the first tick mark, 1, 6. So I hope when you're thinking that you remembered that the small or the biggest number is actually the smaller piece. Because we are dividing it up more. There's 6 people to share instead of just 4 people. So who ate more? Who ate more pizza? It would be Maria with the 1/4. So Maria ate more pizza because her slice was bigger. And this last one, which of the pizzas does this number line represent? Well, on the number line, you're first going to have to figure out how many slices this is cut up into, how many intervals. So we're going to start here. We're going to always start at 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we know the pizza has to be cut into 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That one can't work. 1, 2, 3, 4. That one can't work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That one can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That one can. Now we have to figure out what this spot is. Again, start from 0 and do your jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we know that this is 4, 6. So this one has 4 slices. This one has 3 slices. So the answer is the third one. 1, 2, 3, 4 out of 6. All right, so now you're going to be doing task 10 on your own. I'm just going to talk you through it before you get started. So here it says that you have a pizza party. Today you're hosting a birthday party at your restaurant. Let's get planning. There are 10 people at the pizza party. 8 of them are kids and there are 2 adults. And they want you to represent each fraction. So I put this dot here. And remember, it says what fraction of people are kids. Excuse me. So you're going back up. And I see that it says 8 of them are kids. So you don't have to do this, but if you need the visual representation, I suggest you do this, that you can right click, make your copy, right click, make your paste, and then put these dots on your circle to represent those 8 kids. So you're going to do 1 here, 1 here, 1 here, all the way to you have 8 filled up. So then what fraction as a number would that be out of the total people? 8 out of how many total people? You write your fraction here, then you're going to write your fraction in words. Same things with the adults. Again, you can use your little dot here, right click copy, right click paste, fill in your circle. How many are you going to fill in out of how many total? Again, write your fraction and then write it in words. And then this last one, each person will eat 3 pieces of pizza. How many pieces will we need altogether? So if each person is eating 3 pieces of pizza and there are 10 people, each person eats 3. Think about it. What operation are you doing? How many pieces of pizza do you need? This next slide, we will make a large pizza for this group. A large pizza has 12 pieces. How many pizzas should we make? I have a hint over here. Remember how many pieces you need and figure out how many pizzas you will need. 1, 2, 3, or 4. This one, you'll be putting out 2 pitchers of lemonade, 1 pitcher of iced tea, 2 pitchers of water. Represent each type of drink as a fraction. Again, pitchers of lemonade, 2 out of how many total? Make sure you're writing the fraction. Iced tea out of how many total? I can put a dot over here. I can do 3 different colored dots. How about we make this one yellow for lemonade and iced tea. Whoops. Iced tea, we can be brown. And then water, we will make blue. And again, you can copy and paste and drag those to the the circle to fill it in, and then write three fractions that are greater, more than 2/5. So here's your picture. Use 2/5 as your inspiration, and then try and figure out fractions that are bigger than that, greater than that. I believe that is it for task 10. Yep. So go and work on those. Look for my comments tomorrow to see what you did wrong and what you might need to change.